Hi all, welcome to Kerala NEET Academy, Tamilnadu's leading NEET exam preparation center.
Here are some points for your consideration. Why Kerala NEET Academy is the best choice for cracking NEET examination.
Kerala NEET Academy is the best Google-reviewed NEET Academy in Tamil Nadu with highest number of 5 stars.
Kerala NEET Academy is the educational institute, preparing students only for NEET examination. Thereby our concentration is focused seriously on getting medical admissions to our students.
We at Kerala NEET Academy conduct classes for repeaters and crash and showing excellent results.
All of our KNA centers provide successful course plan and very successfully we are executing it.
Kerala NEET Academy faculties are experienced and eminent.
We provide best course materials to our students. Our pupil and teacher ratio is as per the norms and our faculties are good at making the students to learn the tough subjects at an ease.
Kerala NEET Academy owns a library with fantastic collection of books and a spacious reading area.
Kerala NEET Academy provides co-education and non-co-education class structure as well as separate residential campus for boys and girls.
We are headquartered at Tirunelveli. We are now branched out at Madurai, Nagercoil, Tenkasi, Sivakasi, Theni and Tuticorin.